How's it going, guys? My name is Ricky, and my channel is Rickysfoods. So today we're gonna be making some jalapeno poppers. Last night or yesterday, if you guys follow me in my other socials, I made brisket. So with the leftover brisket, we're gonna make some delicious poppers. So let's just get into it. Alright guys, so here we got the jalapenos right here. When you buy the jalapenos, you want to make sure they're nice and big. That way we have more room or space inside the jalapeno to stuff them with whatever you want. Like I said, today I'm just doing brisket, cream cheese, and I have a mix of cheese, Mexican cheese too, that I'm gonna mix up together and put them inside the pepper right here. Alright, so all we're gonna do, we're just gonna grab a knife, and then we're gonna just make a cut through the middle. Make sure you're careful with it. Just like that. So, and then we're gonna put the jalapenos in my PK grill for about 20 minutes so it can get nice and soft. And then after that, we're gonna come outside over here again, and we're gonna take out all the seeds from inside, all the seeds and all that stuff, because unless if you like spicy stuff, you can leave some in there. But me personally, I like spicy stuff, but if it's too spicy, that's a no-go for me. All right guys, so like I said, we're just gonna cut it through the middle on all these jalapenos. And I'm gonna fast forward the video, so I'll see you guys back in a bit. Alright guys, so here we have the jalapenos already sliced up through the middle. I'll put them in a wire rack with aluminum, that way we can put it on the PK grill, and it'll be easier to move around. And also we got two 8 ounces of cream cheese over here. So all we're gonna do for the cream cheese, we're gonna smoke it too in the PK grill. It's not really smoke. We're just gonna get a little bit of smoke flavor in there. Also with the jalapenos, so we can soften them up. So all we're gonna do with the cream cheese, we're gonna add a little bit of this honey chipotle rub. So let's go ahead and do it right now. And don't be afraid. Put a bunch in there, that more flavor. Because we're gonna mix this with the other cheese and the brisket too. All right, so just like, oops, there we go. All right guys, so let's go put this on the PK. Let's go. All right guys, so let's go ahead and put it on the PK grill. I'm gonna put them over here on the cold zone. Just like that. And I put a little bit of cherry wood in there, so like I said, so that way the cream cheese can get a little bit of that smoke flavor. So we're gonna leave this here for about 20 minutes, and then after that, I'll see you guys back in a bit. All right guys, so after 30 minutes, this is how the jalapenos and the cream cheese looks right here. So the jalapenos are nice and soft, and same thing with the cream cheese right there. All right, so now let's go ahead and make the stuffing for the jalapeno poppers. You just get yourself a big bowl like that. We're gonna put the cream cheese first. We're gonna go ahead and put the cream cheese in the bowl. Just gonna slide it like that. It should come out easily. Nice and creamy, like that. And same thing with this one. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the brisket into the cream cheese over here. Like that. And we're gonna add a mixture of Mexican cheese to it too. I'm gonna go pretty heavy amount because I like cheese on my jalapeno poppers. Alright guys, so now that everything's inside there, we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of the honey chipotle rub to it. That way our jalapeno poppers can be flavorful, full of flavor. And just like that, we're just gonna go ahead and mix it up. All right, let's give it a quick taste. Let's see how it tastes. Yep, that's some good stuff. You feel a little bit of the smoke flavor in there with the cream cheese. You feel a little bit, not a lot, but it's a little bit in there. I'm gonna add a little bit more rub though. It needs more flavor, because flavor is king. Just like that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix this around, and then the next step is gonna be de-seeding the jalapeno poppers. So I'll see you guys back in a bit. All right, guys, so here we have the jalapenos. I already did 2 of them. So basically, you just want to open them up like that, and then you're gonna scrape all the seeds and stems that has inside, and it's pretty simple. So let me do one on camera. So you're gonna open it up from the slices that we did earlier, and it should be nice and soft, so it should be easier to open it up just like that. And then grab yourself a spoon, and with the tip, just scrape, because like I said earlier, all the spiciness is gonna come out from those seeds. So just like that, just scrape everything. But like I said, if you're someone that likes spicy, you don't have to do this step. Or you can leave some in there inside for more spicy flavor. But over here, we like spicy, but we don't like it that spicy. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it. Let me see if you guys can see the inside. So just like that, everything, all the seeds are out. There's a little bit of seeds right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. But after that, we're gonna stuff them up with the cream cheese and the brisket and the mixed cheese that we did earlier. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up, and I'll see you guys back in a bit. All right, guys, so finally we got the jalapenos nice and clean, like you see right here. So now we're gonna stuff it with the mixture of the cream cheese, the brisket. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So for this, it's pretty simple. You're gonna open the jalapenos like that. Grab yourself a big mixture of the cream cheese and just stuff it. Use your thumb in there and just push it down. Just like that. A little bit more. Don't be shy about it. All right, so that's pretty much it. So that's how it looks, like that. And now we're gonna grab ourselves bacon. Fucking fly, I swear. I hate flies. They're all around right now. And the fucking dog, the neighbor's dogs is fucking barking. All right, so now we're gonna grab the bacon and just, you wanna wrap it super tight. If you have to grab 2 bacons, grab 2 bacons. Bacon is good anyway, so just like that. And we got the jalapeno popper right here, just like that. And then we'll put it on the side over here. So now I'm gonna do the other jalapeno poppers, and I'll see you guys back in a bit.
Tamoy. Ah.
All right, guys, so we got the poppers nice and ready, wrapped with bacon already, as you can see right here. They're nice and stuffy with the cream cheese and the brisket. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a little bit more rub on top of them. So you're just gonna do that right now, just like so. So we can add more flavor, and at the end we're gonna have barbecue sauce at the end. So we can add more flavor. It's gonna be full of layers of flavor. Boom, just like that. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the picky grill, so let's go and do it. All right, guys, so now we're gonna let the poppers inside the picky grill. The peak is running around 300, but at the end I'm gonna open the vent so it can go a little bit higher so we can get the bacon nice and crispy. And the last 10 minutes I'm gonna add barbecue sauce to it, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you guys back around 30 or 40 minutes, so let's go. All right, guys, so it's been about 40 minutes since we put the poppers inside the picky grill. I did add more charcoal in there and got the temperature high up to around 375. I just want to make sure that we get that crispy bacon. So let's open the picky grill and let's see how it looks. So come over here. Boom, and that's how the poppers are looking over here. We got a little bit of cream cheese goes out, but it's all good. It still looks good. It's still gonna taste good. So let's go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. So today we're gonna be using this Traeger sauce that somebody gave me. So let's go ahead and add them to the poppers. And I'm just gonna Pull it on top, and I'm just gonna spread it out just like that. Good thing it's not too thick, so it's kind of loose, so that's good. All right, and I'm just gonna spread it out like that. And some of the bacon, or on some of the poppers, the bacon got loose, but it's all good. And except for the top ones, the top ones look good over here. All right, guys. So now I'm just gonna close the picket grill for about 5 minutes, and then next time you see me, we're gonna be tasting this delicious popper. So I'll see you guys back in a bit. All right, guys. So the poppers are finally done. I took them out. I put a little bit more of the barbecue sauce in there. I let them rest for about 5 minutes. And they smell really, really good. So if you come over here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this bad boy right here. It's been calling me all day since I put it. Boom, look at that, guys. Nice and glazed. So let's go ahead and take a bite. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a bite of this Texas Twinkie filled brisket. So let's go. It's kind of hot, so let's see if I can burn myself. All right, guys, there you go. The bacon is a little bit nice and crispy in the top, and look at it. Come over here, look at that gooey right there. That's the main spot right there. Filled brisket, the cream cheese, and the mixed cheese in there. It's nice and really good, guys. I'm gonna take another bite. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The poppers came out really good and has a nice smoky flavor to them. Brisket, cream cheese, and the mixed cheese. Can't get any better than that. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and like always, I'll see you in the next video. Ricky out.